The global consumption of almonds exceeds 1 million tons annually, with California supplying over 80% of the total. One company is responsible for harvesting almonds across mountains and processing millions of kilograms per day. Each almond undergoes an extensive process before being transformed into almond milk. To uncover the process behind this massive operation, we visited the world's largest almond factory, where over 3 million kilograms of almonds are processed daily. Almonds have a rich history dating back thousands of years. Originating from Central Asia, they are believed to be one of the earliest fruits domesticated by humans over 4,000 years ago. Almonds are an excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, making them a popular food in balanced and healthy diets. The humble variety of almond in particular has become a global culinary sensation. Towards the end of winter, almond trees bloom, coloring the landscapes where they are cultivated. However, it will take between 6 and 7 months before they are ready to offer their precious fruits. In the early morning light of California, a brilliant blanket of almond blossoms covers the landscape. Almond trees were first planted in California by the Spanish nearly 300 years ago, and now there are 3,360 square kilometers of orchards across the state. More than 80% of the world's almonds come from California, where growing conditions are ideal. Almonds are the state's most exported food, with a value of over $3 billion per year. Amongst the industry giants, Blue Diamond stands as the world's largest almond harvesting company. To produce almonds, 2 varieties of almond trees must be planted together for flower pollination. Wild bees often transport pollen from flower to flower, but there aren't enough wild bees to pollinate so many flowers. Therefore, an enormous workforce of 1.8 million worker bees is brought in. With 3,360 square kilometers of almond plantations requiring more than 1.5 million bee colonies, California doesn't have enough native bees to meet this demand. Therefore, every February, hives are transported from distances of up to 5,000 kilometers to the almond fields. As the bees search for food, they transfer pollen from one tree to another, facilitating the pollination process necessary for the trees to bear fruit. Once pollination is complete, the almonds begin to develop, a process that takes around 6 months before they're ready to be harvested. With over 7,000 almonds on each tree, manual harvesting would take days. To speed up the process, the trees are vigorously shaken until the almonds rain down. The shaker machines can cover an impressive 4,000 square meters per hour. Almond harvesting machines are specifically designed to shake the trees. Mechanical heads attached to the tree trunks vigorously shake them, causing the ripe almonds to fall to the ground. Once on the ground, the almonds are left to dry for about 10 days. Following the drying period, blowers and sweepers line them up, and a pickup machine vacuums them. After this process, the almonds are still covered with their shell and hull. Following the harvesting process, the almonds undergo further processing to prepare them for consumption. First, they pass through a machine equipped with rotating rollers that compress each almond, removing the outer shell to reveal the inner kernel. Once the almonds are shelled, they go through a series of sieves to remove any branches or other debris collected with them during harvesting. These cleaning systems ensure that the almonds are free from impurities before proceeding to the next stage. After cleaning, the almonds are transported to the company's processing plant in California. The global consumption of almonds totals a staggering 1.1 million tons annually, with the majority originating from this very plant. Processing over 3 million kilograms a day, this plant spans the size of 33 housing blocks. During peak season, more than 100 trucks arrive every 24 hours, delivering almonds to the plant. Large trailers unload the almonds into a pit, where an underground maze of conveyor belts transports them upward, rising 29 meters to the storage silos. With 3 million kilograms of almonds arriving daily, storage becomes a significant challenge. To accommodate this volume, the facility has 24 gigantic silos with a total capacity exceeding 30 million kilograms. Stored in rooms the size of football stadiums, these almonds are kept under ideal humidity and temperature conditions to ensure a constant supply of almonds for processing throughout the year. Conveyor belts introduce 120,000 kilograms per hour, guiding the almonds through layers that sort them and remove any residue. Advanced laser sorting equipment then detects any damaged almonds or stones that may have slipped through before the hull is removed by a specialized machine. After the hull removal process, the almonds pass between a rubber roller and a belt, which efficiently removes the shells and releases the almonds. An operator periodically examines the shelled almonds for quality control. Next, vibrating platforms with grooves sort the almonds by size, ensuring uniformity. They are then inspected by a quality control team to ensure they are free of any dirt or debris. Later in the process, the belt has holes where the smaller almonds fall into containers, while the larger almonds continue on their journey for further processing. The larger almond cores are more valuable and will be sold separately from the smaller ones. To maintain quality, appearance is crucial, just as it is with almonds in their shells. To ensure quality, a camera captures images of the cascading almond cores, which are then analyzed by a computer system. This system identifies any imperfect almonds and removes them from the production process. The computer sends the coordinates of these damaged almonds to a robotic arm, which locates and removes them from the mix. Despite the efficiency of the automated system, a human inspector conducts a final check to catch any imperfect almonds that the robotic system may have overlooked, ensuring that only the highest quality almonds make it through to the next stage of processing. While the imperfect almonds may have visual defects, their flavor remains unchanged. These almonds are then processed into various products such as chocolate bars, almond butter, or almond cakes. Before packaging, a final check ensures that any low-quality almonds are removed from the batch. Once this quality control is complete, the almonds are ready for packaging. The packaging process involves filling the packages, sealing them, labeling them, and loading them onto trucks for distribution. The selected large almonds are then sent to other facilities where they will be processed into almond milk. Here, high-quality almonds undergo rigorous selection to ensure they are in optimal condition for the milk-making process. Any almonds that are damaged, wrinkled, or deemed lower in quality are discarded to maintain the high standards of the final product. This careful selection process ensures that only the finest almonds are used to produce top-quality almond milk. The selected almonds are placed in clean water for a period that typically ranges from 8 to 12 hours. This soaking process helps soften the almonds, making it easier to extract their contents and allowing for better grinding during the next stage of processing. Additionally, soaking activates natural enzymes present in the almonds, which can enhance digestibility and improve nutrient availability. This step ensures that the almond milk produced is not only smooth and creamy, but also maximizes the nutritional benefits of the almonds. After the almonds have soaked for the required duration, they undergo the grinding process. The soaked almonds are transferred to a mill along with clean water. Within the mill, the almonds and water are ground together, resulting in a homogeneous mixture. This process breaks down the soaked almonds into a fine, consistent paste, facilitating the effective extraction of almond components. The result of grinding is a liquid mixture containing the nutritional properties and flavor of the almonds. This liquid is essentially a kind of raw almond milk that still contains the pulp and solids of the crushed almonds. The grinding process is essential for releasing the nutrients and natural oils from the almonds, turning them into a liquid base that will serve as raw material for almond milk production. The resulting mixture undergoes a filtering process to separate the liquid base from the solid pulp of the almonds. Special filters are used in this process, designed to retain the pulp and solids while allowing only the liquid to pass through. This filtration step aims to obtain a smoother almond milk free of solids. Once the filtering process is complete, almond milk is obtained, a smooth, homogeneous liquid without lumps. This milk then flows into a large blender where additional filtered water is added, along with refined sugar, vanilla extract, and various vitamins and minerals to enhance flavor and nutritional content. The blender lid is closed, and the ingredients are mixed thoroughly. After blending, the milk exits the blender and flows into a massive storage tank. Inside the tank, an agitator ensures that the ingredients remain well mixed, maintaining consistency throughout the almond milk. This step ensures that the almond milk is perfectly blended, flavorful, and enriched with essential nutrients. The tank is refrigerated to preserve the milk while testing is carried out. The operator takes a sample to test the consistency and nutritional value of the milk. With their approval, the drink is released from the tanks and passes through pipes injected with very hot steam to eliminate any remaining microorganisms. After rapid cooling, the almond milk passes through a homogenizer. This step is essential as it pushes the beverage through small holes to break down the fat, reducing the size of the particles and ensuring a smoother consistency. Once adjusted and refined, the almond milk undergoes a pasteurization process. This step is crucial for ensuring food safety and extending the shelf life of the product. Pasteurization helps eliminate any possible bacteria, enzymes, or microorganisms present in the liquid. After heating, the almond milk is quickly cooled to stop the pasteurization process and prevent any additional contamination. Once pasteurized, the almond milk is carefully packaged in bottles, cartons, or sterilized containers specifically designed to maintain the freshness and quality of the product. These packages are sealed to ensure the integrity of the contents and labeled with essential product information, including the expiration date, ingredients, and nutritional information. Once packaged and labeled, the almond milk is ready to be distributed to end consumers. From grocery stores to online retailers, the almond milk makes its way to households, cafes, and various establishments where it will be enjoyed as a delicious and nutritious dairy alternative. If you want to know how Doritos are made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.